The truth that lies behind this old Nazi identification card and an FBI report from the 1980s could go a long way toward determining whether accused Nazi war criminal John Demjanjuk goes free or spends the rest of his life in prison. Demjanjuk is 90 years old now, has been in poor health for years. He was born in the Ukraine and came to the U.S. soon after World War II. For decades, he's been fighting accusations in the U.S., years ago in Israel, and now in Germany, that he worked as a guard at a German death camp and was partly responsible for the killing of thousands of inmates. He and his family say he was a German POW.
He was a victim of the Germans, and it's appalling that this case has gone on for so long and it even took place in the first place.
Wednesday, his attorney asked for time out in the trial to investigate a story the Associated Press has just reported about this 1985 FBI field report indicating that agents thought his Nazi identity card, a key piece of evidence, was actually a Soviet forgery, part of a smear campaign against anti-communist émigrés. The document was recently declassified.
It's extremely important that we now have documents to show that the FBI, as early as 1985, was suspect of the evidence coming from the Soviet Union in my father's case, as we have been saying all along.
The report is the first sign that American investigators had similar doubts.
But he doesn't belong in a prison. He belongs home with his family.
The German prosecutor says he was not aware of the FBI report, but has no doubt that the ID card is real. However, as the trial draws to a close, the defense attorney wants the report introduced as evidence, and he wants to come to the U.S. to look at other newly declassified documents as well. Brian Thomas, The Associated Press.